Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to clear your watch history on Crunchyroll. So let's jump right into it. First, open up your Crunchyroll app, or you may also go to Crunchyroll's website and log into your account. Next, from the home page, go ahead and tap on the My List button at the bottom. There you will be able to see the history option. Simply tap on that and all of your watch history will appear on the screen. To clear an individual episode, simply go ahead and press and hold to a thumbnail, and in the pop-up, click on Remove from History. If you want to clear the entire history at once, tap on the Manage button at the top right corner and click on Clear History. In the pop-up, click on Clear History once again, and this will clear out all of your browsing history from your History tab at once. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to clear your Crunchyroll watch history like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more simple tech tips, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out another upcoming upload. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.